Hello kids, I am Ria and today I am drawing a scenery with Indian flag. Let's draw it together. First, I am drawing the bar for the flag. Now, I am drawing the stage. Let's draw the ground. Now I am drawing a flag. Draw Ashoka Chakra in the middle with blue pen or marker. Now I am drawing clouds and flowers.